Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have this Xperia pair of headphones. These are extremely low cost. They will work with PC and every console known to man. Okay, any console that uses, the 3.5 millimeter connector. It does come with a breakout cable for analog. These are not USB headphones. These are analog headphones and very inexpensive. I believe there's a $6 coupon right now off of $24.99. So it's under 20 bucks. All right. So these headphones work pretty well. The bass response is very good. I was impressive. I was very impressed actually. This is the box that it comes in. So it's the V22, Xperia V22 headphones. The only downside I see to these babies is that there is no or very little treble response. So you're using whatever your sound device, your sound card, sound audio device, whatever you're using is your input and output for the sound. So if you want to do some tweaking on the analog mixer, you can tweak this. But flat out, without doing any changes to it, it's very flat on the treble. Just an FYI. The microphone is noise canceling and is very impressive. Actually, I couldn't believe how clear it was. Here's a demo. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This will probably be very good for gaming. That's for sure. This is movable, so you can bend this in any way you want if you want it closer to your face. See what I mean? You can bend it. I like that. I'm giving it a 4-star rating because of the flat out of their sound card. I'm using a Sound Blaster Z. It's like I said, a little muddy, but remember it's sub $20. Actually, it's $24.99 regular price, and that $6 coupon that's there drops it down to under 20 bucks. Again, inexpensive. You need a pair of headphones, something cheap. This will work. Take care, guys.